welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm the publisher Lindy Houston, and this week's bulletin is brought to you by Curry Group. Making headlines this week, we have several new industry partnerships. Smart packaging solutions provider Talking Things has partnered with Result Group in a bid to provide brand protection to millions of Australian products and to help brands deliver personalized consumer experiences and also provide a host of benefits to the logistics industry. This partnership brings to Australia world-class manufactured RFID inlays which meet industry standards for low frequency, high frequency and ultra-high frequency at a price level previously unavailable for smart packaging technologies in this market. The Talking Things suite of RFID and NFC solutions will help customers to track products and provide supply chain visibility, creating the data streams companies need to simplify operations, know more about their businesses, and empower their mobile workforces. Also making news in the smart packaging space, Multicolor Corporation, MCC, and Digimarc have partnered to serialize product packaging and labels with Digimarc Barcode in support of food safety and traceability initiatives to help mitigate the impact of food product recalls, which we all know cost the food industry millions of dollars. MCC and Digimarc have co-developed a hybrid printing method in which the Digimarc barcode can be printed in large volumes. Foodmach, meanwhile, has secured the national distribution for global technology supplier Thermo Scientific's product inspection range. The partnership adds to Foodmach's growing portfolio of packaging technology agencies. The inking of this agreement means that Foodmach can now supply Australian customers with the complete range of Thermo Fisher safety inspection solutions, which includes X-ray detection and inspection, metal detection, check weighing and combination units. To launch the new Thermo Fisher partnership, Foodmach is offering a significant trade-in incentive, and with the current focus on reinvestment in local manufacturing, perhaps now the time is right for manufacturers to upgrade their product detection capabilities. Now for some acquisition news. Australis Group has acquired Brisbane-based conveyor and stainless steel fabricator Precision Stainless Systems. The acquisition expands the operations of the Australis Group of engineering and conveyor-related businesses, co-owned and run by Sydney-based brothers Peter and Anthony Gustafsson. It adds to the businesses already in the fold, namely Australis Engineering, Advanced Conveying and Profilium. Precision specializes in the steel fabrication of conveyors, machinery and equipment for food and beverage manufacturers and non-food FMCG goods, such as pharmaceuticals, healthcare and chemicals. Australis says it plans to keep the Brisbane manufacturing facility operating as usual and will retain all Precision employees. Now, Nestle's KitKat is back in the news this week. Apart from the massive strides the KitKat brand has already made in working towards a circular economy model for packaging, it has also now pledged to become carbon neutral by 2025. The pledge will see Nestle globally aiming to reduce emissions generated through the ingredient sourcing, manufacturing and distribution of its KitKat brand by more than 50%. Now, recently Nestle joined a coalition of companies with a shared vision to close the loop on soft plastics, and has produced a prototype of Australia's first ever soft plastic food wrapper made with recycled content for the KitKat brand. And in fact, straight after this video, I'm heading to our podcast studio to chat to two key players on that project. So do tune in next week on our podcast platform to find out more. Now, lastly, the Australasian recycling label, the ARL, continues to grow from strength to strength. It has recently passed the 500 member mark and welcomed a range of iconic household brands into the mix. More than 44 new organizations have already joined the ARL program in 2021 alone, and in the past 12 months, 193 businesses have signed up, taking the total members now to 530. This month, the ARL was a key focus of the Australian government's inaugural National Plastics Plan, with the labelling program recognised as a key consumer recycling education tool. With the Australian government committing to working with the industry to apply the ARL on at least 80% of supermarket products by December 2023, there really has never been a better time for Australian businesses and brands to get involved. So for more on this and other stories, you know where to go, packagingnews.com.au. That's it from me, Lindy Houston, signing off for another week.